Always flush the toilet twice after clearing a clog to ensure loosened debris and residual waste are fully washed away and to prevent a near-term repeat blockage. After you have successfully plunged and water begins to move freely, perform a first flush to remove the bulk of loosened material. Wait a few seconds so the bowl refills to normal level and observe the water line for floating debris or slow drain behavior. If you see any remaining particles or the flush is weak, use the second flush immediately to clear what the first pass left behind. For persistent cloudiness or slow siphon, add a small measure of hot water poured into the bowl from waist height to help break down fats and move solids without risking porcelain cracks from boiling water. If your pipes are older and prone to buildup, consider a monthly maintenance flush where you run a full tank flush twice in a row after using a toilet-safe enzyme cleaner to break down organic residue. Keep a spare pair of disposable gloves and a toilet brush nearby to remove visible material before plunging to reduce the volume that needs to pass through your trap. Homeowners often forget that a single successful plunge does not equal a fully clear system, and those leftovers cause a repeat clog within hours. Always inspect and flush again to confirm clearance. People sometimes plunge with weak seals or the wrong size plunger, which reduces suction and leaves more debris behind. Use a flange plunger for toilets and ensure a tight seal before pumping. Another common issue is relying on chemical drain cleaners after plunging, which can damage older pipes and does not address solid residual matter. Instead, use hot water and mechanical methods like an auger if needed. If you skip the second flush because you are worried about water use, you risk more disruptive and wasteful overflows later. 2 quick flushes use far less water than a second clog cleanup. Plunging too aggressively can push objects further into the drain and worsen blockages, so use steady, controlled pumps. Finally, failing to monitor for recurring slow drains after a clog can hide a partial obstruction or venting problem and should prompt a camera inspection by a professional. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and for contractors to find work, and we provide a discussion community where members share experiences and practical tips on tasks like plumbing and post-plunging protocols. We use our platform to connect people, host questions, and let neighbors trade real-world advice so everyone can make better repair choices.